Hello everyone, welcome to Life in 360. These beautiful fishes are made and colored by a 5-year-old. Can you believe this? Yes, this is an underwater craft work made with plaster of Paris, which I bought for my 5-year-old from Amazon. For this summer season, for developing skills and avoiding screen time is necessary. Hence, I decided to buy some activity kits for my kid, and I wanted she to involve in every activities. So before buying this kit, analyze their interest and find them which area they wanted to involve, and if they are happy with dancing, swimming, or if they are happy with some adventurous things, or if they wanted to do craft works or paintings. Just analyze them, focus on the thing which they love. It makes your work easier, also they will love. So in this kit there is plaster of Paris powder and some fish molds, also with watercolor paints. As a parent, I always know everything has a plus and a minus side. So before starting the procedures, we have to think about the choking hazards. If you have a sibling, a younger one, we have to be very careful by using this product. So in this video we are going to show you how we made those beautiful fishes. Actually they are fridge magnet. So before starting the procedure, I went through some of the videos and also the procedure of making products from plaster of Paris. Also I checked the setting time of the material. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes hardly to set. So after finishing this work, we need a complete 20 to 30 minutes setting time. Be prepared to answer so many questions because kids will ask so many questions and they will ask it repeatedly until they get it. Their patience level will be much low. You have to make them understand that this waiting time is much needed for the procedure to get finished. And now the fishes are ready to paint. See the happiness in her face. And now we are going to paint it, and I gave all the decision in her choice because she wanted to mix the colors and she wanted to decide. So if you wanted to buy the same kit, I'm going to add the product details. Also, the most important thing is red is the favorite color of my kid, and I want the parents who are watching this or the kids who are watching this, share your favorite color in the comment section.
Cinderella fish, about fish, Cinderella fish, uh, Vito fish, Ashmi fish, Vino fish, Amanda fish, and this is over Gulapati fish.
Also be prepared, if they feel any difficulties they will ask you to help them, and for painting or any other stuffs it will be very good if we help them and we are guiding them. It will be a good thing that they will make a memory. I'm sure that the little things which made us happy in our childhood will last forever, and I can still remember those happy days, and it will be a golden thing throughout my life. Finally, we are going to attach this magnet sheet to convert it to a fridge magnet. And that's it. The beautiful fridge magnets are now ready. We created a happy memory in our holidays, and you too can create your own. So this is how we have enjoyed our holiday in our home with some beautiful activities by avoiding screen time. You too can do that, and I'm going to upload few more kits in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Share your feedback in the comment section. Also, hope this video is useful, and thanks for watching. Do subscribe Life in 360 for more review videos. Thank you.